Today topic is total probability of an event and Bayes theorem. If A1, A2, A3 and so on to An are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events such that P of A is greater than 0, I vary from 1 to 3 and so on to n, and B is an event, then P of AI by B is equal to P of AI into P of B by AI whole divided by P of A1 into P of B by A1 plus P of A2 into P of B by A2 plus P of A3 into P of B by A3 and so on to P of AN into P of B by AN. Total probability is the denominator P of A1 plus P of B by A1 plus P of A2, P of B by A2 and so on to P of AN into P of B by An is total probability of an event. Now Ex number 12.4, sum number 1. A factory has two machines, number 1 and 2. Machine number 1 produces 40% of items and machine number 1 produces 60% of items and machine number 2 produces 40% of items of the total output. Further, 2% of items produced by machine number 1 are defective, whereas 4% produced by machine number 2 are defective. If an item is drawn at random, what is the probability that it is defective? Let A1 be the event that items are produced by the machine number 1. Let A2 be the event that the items are produced by the machine number 2. And let P be the event of defective items. In section, P of A1 is 60%, P of A2 is 40%, P of B by A1 is 2 by 100, P of B by A2 is 4%, 4 by 100. To find total probability P of B. P of B formula is P of A1 into P of B by A1 plus P of A2 into P of B by A2. There are two machines, therefore two terms only. First, P of A1 is 60 by 100, P of B by A1 is 2 by 100 plus P of A2 is 40 divided by 100 into P of B by A2 is 4 by 100. Now product of 2 into 60 is 120 divided by 10,000 plus product of 4 into 40 is 160 divided by 10,000. Denominators are same. Therefore, 10,000 is LCM. Numerator 120 plus 160 is 280. Now, the total probability P of B is 0.0280. Sum number 2. There are two identical ants containing respectively 6 black and 4 red balls. 2 black and 2 red balls. An ant is chosen at random and a ball is drawn from it. Number 1. Find the probability that the ball is black. Number 2. If the ball is black, what is the probability that it is from the first term? Let A1 be the event of selecting ant number 1. Let A2 be the event of selecting ant number 2. Let B be the event of selecting black ball. P of A1 is 1 by 2, P of A2 is 1 by 2. P of B by A1 is 6 by 10, P of B by A2 is 2 by 4. Number 1. To find P of B. P of B is equal to P of A1 into P of B by A1 plus P of A2 into P of B by A2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 by 10 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 6 by 20 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 10 plus 1 by 4 is equal to the different kinds of denominators are there. Therefore, cross product gives 4 3s are 12 plus 1 into 10 is 10 divided by 4 10s are 40. Now 22 divided by 40. Cancelling we get 11 by 20. P of B. Total probability is equal to 11 by 20. Theorem. Probability of black ball from ant number 1 is equal to P of A1 into P of B by A1 4 divided by P of A1 into P of B by A1 plus P of A2 into P of B by A2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 by 10. 4 divided by 11 by 20 is equal to 6 by 20 into 20 divided by 11. Cross multiplying we get. Now interchange numerator and denominator of denominator. Okay, 6 divided by 11 is answer. Hence probability of black ball from iron number 1 is equal to 6 by 11. Question number 3. A firm manufactures PVC pipes in 3 plants Y's, X, Y and Z. The daily production of volumes from the 3 firms X, Y, Z are respectively 2000 units, 3000 units and Z is 5000 units. It is known from the first experience that 3% of the output from the plant number 1 or X, 4% from plant Y and 2% from plant Z are defective. A pipe is selected at random from the day total production. Number 1. Find the probability that the selected pipe is defective 1. Number 2. If the selected pipe is defective, then what is the probability that it was produced by plant Y? Let A1 be the production of PVC pipe from the plant X. Let A2 be the production of PVC pipe from the plant Y. Let A3 be the production of PVC pipe from the plant Z. And let capital B be the selection of defective pipes by the given instruction. P of A1 is equal to 2000 divided by 2000 plus 3000 plus 5000 total production is equal to 2000 divided by 10,000. 2000 means 2 into 1000 whole divided by 10,000 means 10 into 1000. These two are cancelled. We get 2 divided by 10. Is P of A. P of A2 is 3000 divided by total probability 2000 plus 3000 plus 5000 is 2000 divided by 10,000. Cancelling the numerator and denominator 1000. We get 3 divided by 10 is equal to 5000 divided by total production. Yet 2000 plus 3000 plus 5000 whole divided by 5000 divided by 10,000 is can be written in the form of 5 into 1000 divided by 10 into 1000. Cancelling these two thousands, we have 5 divided by 10. Now A3 is 5 divided by 10. Number 1, question number 1. Total probability P of B is equal to P of A1 into P of B by A1 plus P of A2 into B by A2 plus P of A3 into P of B by A3 is equal to P of A1 is 2 by 10 into 3 by 100 plus 3 by 10 P of A2. P of B by A2 is 4 by 100 plus P of A3 is 5 by 10 into P of B by A3 is 2 divided by 100. Now first term product gives 6 by 1000, second term product gives 12 by 1000, third term product gives 10 by 1000 is equal to 28 divided by 1000. Now 7 4s are 28. Denominator 250 into 4. 4 4 cancelled, we get 7 divided by 250. Solution number 2. By the Bayes theorem, P of A2 by B is equal to P of A2 into P of B by A2 divided by total probability P of A1 into P of B by A2 plus P of A2 into P of B by A2 plus P of A3 into P of B by A3. Now numerator P of A2 is 3 divided by 10. P of B by A2 is 4 divided by 100. Whole divided by P of B is total probability 12 divided by 1000. Whole divided by 7 by 250. Now reciprocal gives 12 divided by 1000 into 250 by 7. Cancelling these two numbers. 250 1 into 250 is 250. 4 into 250 is 1000. Cancelling these two. 12 divided by 4 into 1 divided by 7. Now 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. Therefore 3 divided by 7 is answer. Today homework EX number 12.4, sum number 4 and 5. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.